So I'm Steve McInerney with Midwest Wheels. I've worked here for 33 years. We're a fifth generation family business. Started in 1911. We've really diversified the business, grew it into everything with wheels, really. Anything that's got wheels on it is still our focus. So you really have to have a lot of reporting behind all of that. And we want to get that done without having a large staff in-house to get it done. And that's really using the Birst solution, and that's what it's done for us. Infor is very tight with us. One of the senior development VPs grew up in the automotive world with selling transmissions. So he can relate to our world. He understands the kind of parts we're trying to sell, the kind of clientele that we're going after, and you can have relevant conversations. Prior to Birst, we had Data PA, and I still running that program. I still kept a whole list of queries, wrote my own little Visual Basic program that would generate spreadsheets so that I could continue to run spreadsheets that I would send out every month. I could write any report I want. The problem is every time a report had to be written, someone had to come find me and we'd run this report. And now you can take a Birst and they can open up Visualizer and they can start dragging in what they want in the report, and the report starts building itself. They don't need the IT manager to sit down and explain it. So our corporate staff every day gets a PDF email of a dashboard that we call projected sales. So we get an idea at each day of the month we do business where it's projected to end for the month. So if you start seeing an area drop off, you can drill into it and see what's going on. Or if you see an area that takes off and looks great, you can drill into it and maybe give the customer a call or give the salesman a call and say, hey, things are looking really good. Just kind of want to follow up and if there's anything we can do. Giving you that kind of feedback immediately and automatically is pretty big. Our territory managers out in the field, they wake up in the morning and open the Birst app, and they got that same projected sales automatically filtered to just their territory. And that kind of automatic data is huge. From a warehouse standpoint, we've got a report called Product on the Dock. So every time something comes into our main warehouse, we pre-receive it in our CloudSuite distribution system, and we take that report every day. It ages that. So if it isn't closed out that day, the next day it's on a report. Our product managers and all of our warehouse supervisors are aware that that PO has now been on the dock for a day. And then if it's on the dock again tomorrow, it might turn yellow. If it's on the dock again the next day, it'll be red. The idea is to make sure that things don't age and get skipped. So when you talk about customers' order fulfillment, I can tell you the difference between having a 90% and 95 is the difference between keeping the account and losing the account. Finding what's causing you pain and correcting it before the customer is telling the salesman, hey, I can't wait for that anymore, is it's hard to put a number behind that other than saying, we're growing. I would spend usually evening at home writing reports for everyone and emailing them out. And for me, it's really time I gain back with my family because I wouldn't do that in the office. Birst just sends the email directly. It's already been designed. We just have to open it and refresh it. That's true for every one of our group, from our purchasing team to our sales team to our accounting team. Even when they can open up and bring up a dashboard and have the answer, it's time they didn't spend figuring it out.